Guys, nandito tayo sa mountain ng Germany 2350 dito sa Lückebad Mountain dito sa Valley, Switzerland. At doon makikita natin ang city ng Lückebad. Ayan. Maganda masyado guys ang view doon. Nandito tayo sa tuktok ng bundok ng Swiss Alps. Dito yan sa Switzerland, sa center ng Switzerland. Ang valley guys, isa sa pinakamagandang mountain. Kasi napapalibutan siya ng buong Alps mountain. Mountain ng Switzerland, mountain ng France at mountain ng Germany. Kasi ang Switzerland is the center of the Europe. Mix na siya guys, lahat ng mountain na yan is mix na country na yan. Merong Switzerland, merong Italy, merong Germany at merong France. Lahat. Sobrang ganda ng ng weather, tapos ang ganda ng view. Tapos yan ang city sa baba. So yun. Picture perfect talaga dito guys. So ayun, punta na tayo doon. Doon tayo sa baba. Slippery yung snow guys. Kailangan natin dahan-dahan maglakad. Ayan, nag-ski si girl. Punta tayo dun sa baba. Ito yung road papunta sa baba. Doon natin makikita talaga yung view. Tingnan niyo guys, ang restaurant na to. Yung overview niya is yung mountain. Super ganda. Tingnan niyo. Yeah, super amazing. It's really beautiful. Tingnan niyo sa baba. Nakakatakot siya. Ayan. Yan. Ayan yung city ng Lückebad. Picture natin. Yan ang famous mountain dito. Germany 2350. Okay, meron na yung sa telepheric doon. Pababa na siya. Diyan tayo kanina guys. Diyan tayo sumakay.
C'est le village de Schleban.
Yes. Tapos doon siya mag-i-stop sa baba talaga. Pag doon na siya sa baba, picturean natin.
In fact, we're higher than the other one. The other one is back there. More or less almost same altitude.
But this one is higher.
A little higher, yes. This one, I think we don't go to Öland. It's really for people skiing.
Okay.
But here we can come 3 times if you want. If you let it fall, then falls.
Guys, nandito na ako sa mountain ng Lückebad dito sa Germany 2350. Ito yung view. Makikita niyo yung view dito. Tapos dito sa side na to, andun yung city ng Lückebad. Sa baba nito is yung city ng Lückebad. It's not very far. Film me, David, from there.
Ah, there's a bird. Look.
Film me. Yan. Yun na nga guys, dito sa Lückebad, Germany 2350. Ito yung name ng mountain. At makikita niyo yung view dito sa nice. Okay? Punta tayo dito sa other side. Dito yung view perfect dito. Yun. Dito talaga yung pinakagandang view sa lahat. Kasi makikita mo yung city.
Okay, you can film the guy.
Meron guys dito umakyat ito.
He's missing an arm.
Yun.
They're interesting, these birds. You can see them up.
Yeah. Okay. So ayun, napakita ko na sa inyo yung view dito sa Lückebad, Germany 2350, yung inong mountain na to. At ipapakita ko sa inyo yung view. Dito sa mountain na to, ito yung restaurant. Tapos pwede tayo pumunta doon at mag-film. Kasi open po ito para sa lahat ng mga tourist. Gaya natin. Ayan, ang view sa baba. Guys, super nice po ang view dito sa baba. Breathtaking yung yung view, yung mountain. Super nice dito sa side na to. I-film natin doon sa loob yung restaurant. Ipapakita ko lang sa inyo. gaano kaganda yung view na to. At the same time, kung nasa loob ka ng restaurant, makikita mo ang magandang view pag kumakain ka. Yan ang restaurant. Sorry, wifi pala dito. Lakad lang tayo kasi normally hindi tayo pwede kung hindi tayo mag-order. Yes. Dito. Ang sabi ko sa inyo dito. Yan. Pakita ko lang sa inyo yung view. Doon tayo sa table na yun na walang tao para mag-film lang tayo. Dito. Dito. Kita natin yung view. So yun. Makita natin. Punta na tayo.
Then we can come out like that one again.
Ah, okay.
Yeah. Let's start.
Guys, nag-sliding tayo dito. Yan. Super nice. Ginawa natin ganyan. Yan po. Yan. Hindi tayo pwede mag-live kasi wala tayong signal. Pero pakita ko lang sa inyo yung place. Yan. Daming tao, guys. So tara na. Diyan tayo, doon tayo kanina sa taas. Napagod ako. Andito tayo sa ngayon sa center. So guys, we are very happy to do the La Luge, the sliding, and it's beautiful. And I enjoy my sliding, and we did it there. It's too far. And we are here. We are here now in the mountain. And then, it's tiring. And when we go back,
We'll just walk around and then
yeah,
eat anywhere. This is only small capacity. Otherwise people just walk up again.
yeah.
That's our day here in this nice weather.
So there you go. We enjoy our sliding.
And we're walking, can walk here.
Oh, it's also beautiful there. So ayun, naglakad tayo dito, tapos kakain tayo, hanap tayo ng place kung saan tayo kakain. Dito lang yan.
Just
Sisi filme.
out.
There's no signal here.
Yes, I called.
You see?
That's good. Appreciate it. Right?
There's a lot of people walking around this mountain. Guys, tingnan ninyo, napapalibutan siya ng snow ang buong mountain. Diyan tayo galing kanina sa taas.
I don't know.
Super nice.
On va jusqu'au bout et on monte là-bas. Hein? Ça va?
Oli, look.
Bien, okay.
Okay. What do you call that one?
Kite surf.
Kite surf.
Kite ski. Who's doing the kite? Yeah, normally called it kite skiing. There's another guy. You're not happy.
The others, they don't have it. Your brother, he came here with the Martina. They have skiing things or no?
Just Martina is not skiing, I think. Maybe you can take the past 2 days also.
Yan, nag-i-ski si Lolo.
Back there, then.
Guys, it's super nice, the place. I hope you can visit this place because it's very, very beautiful. I can recommend it to you. 5 out of 5. I can rate it 5 out of 5. If it's compared to the hotel, it's a 5-star hotel, this place. So ayun,
Regarde avec sa caméra.
hanggang doon lang tayo sa dulo, tapos lakad tayo ulit dito papunta doon. Ang ganda lang yun. View perfect. Hey, you can come closer
Il
please.
est tombé.
Il est tombé? Ah, because of that.
But now c'est Sky. Yo. Loud.
Yes, it's coming here now.